INNODIGYM P1 is the next generation smart home gym that you can take and easily store anywhere because of its compact size. Aluminum alloy has made it unbreakable and only 2.4 inches thickness. With one smart button, INNODIGYM patented engine system provides 4 modes and up to 265 pounds of digital weights. It comes with a smart app to provide you with customizable personal training plans. Tons of accessories. Safety button guarantee a safe and legit workout. Standard mode for basic strength training. Eccentric mode for efficient mass growth and better muscle control. Chain mode for obtaining better endurance. And speed mode for gaining better explosive power. With the exclusive bench and accessories, you can effectively target and build strength in specific muscle groups. And all these other professional weight trainings where you can normally only do in a gym. Now with INNODIGYM P1, you can perform easily at home. And the results where you can achieve in a gym can now be achieved easily at home too. INNODIGYM P1, sticking to your routine has never been easier.